Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today is March favorites. Happy April. I love the month of April. It's my daughter's birthday. It's usually spring break. This year it's Easter. And what else? I don't know. I just feel like it's kind of one of those happy months. It's also kind of sometimes really crappy rainy. Why do I do this? I'm like just telling you about my month that I like or don't like. It's like, just get to the makeup, Rebecca. I know, I'm a chatterbox. If you're new here, hello. I hope you like what you see. And if you're an old favorite, you know, pull up a stool and order your regular and I'll get it for you. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I had like this idea of Cheers in my head, the bar, you know, where everybody knows your name. Okay, never mind. I like to start my favorites with some non-makeup things, maybe a few shout outs, right? And this month's shout out is to Kitty Pot. I know, and it is what you think, or maybe, well, I don't know. Maybe it's not what you think. Okay, Colorado Kitty Pot is catnip of a really amazing quality, 100% organic catnip, and their labels crack me up because they're all like tie-dye and cool. So ColoradoKittyPot.com sent this for Phoebe, but guess who really liked it? Pluto. He's like, I'm an old cat that needs this for my glaucoma. And you know, I mean, he is just like rolling in it, and Phoebe's like, what's this? Oh my god, oh my god. And you know, he's just like, let's get mellow and play and enjoy. And yeah, so not for human consumption. That's good to note. This is grown in the USA, comes from Colorado. They partner with Harley's Hope. Is that the that's one of the charities, but they benefit animal welfare charities. So displaced pets, pets from people who are in, you know, who've lost their homes, or people who are in rehab, you know, I mean, whatever situation you can think of where a person has to be separated from their pet, their profits go to charities that help those pets. So that's so great. They sent several of these toys, which they're so cool. So thanks guys, this was fun. My pets, thank you. Other non-beauty items, but can we say how beautiful it is this shirt. It's got such cute peekaboo sleeves, and it is from my Stitchfix this month. I was extra greedy and had a March Stitch Fix and Trunk Club, which I had so many good things in those shipments, but I couldn't sit here wearing them all. That would be fun, but also weird and uncomfortable. So I got the red blazer from Stitch Fix. Oh my god, the jeans in that fix are amazing. I got this blouse. My Trunk Club came with this adorable dress, which I haven't worn yet, but I'm telling you, you will see that all over social media when I do. It's a party dress, and I am a sucker for a party dress. I need more parties. Okay, everybody out there, get me to your parties. My skincare favorites this month have been a combination of my Beauty by Design products that they sent me a while back and I've been using, and then I did my video, and I will share that with you in an iCard somewhere, because the standout products from that review was the number 501 mask. This mask is plumping. It's called their plumping mask. It's hydrate and refine, and it's so full of like shea butter and so many good things to hydrate you, and it does this amazing thing where I feel like my skin looks smoother and fresher, but it's not active. It doesn't feel like, oh, I'm gonna exfoliate, or oh, I'm gonna this, or, you know, it's just so gentle. And a few of you commented when I did this video that you have this mask too and how you love it. So yay to this. I will be getting this. I should put it on auto ship. I think Beauty by Design has that. So you can get, although, but you're, you do get a reminder when your products need replenishing. Okay, and then this treat number 516. Oh, and the one thing else I love about this, it's in the $20 price range. Yeah, it's a bargain. This one's a little pricier. I do have a discount code. This is the serum, the 516. It has the ferulic acid. It has so many good things in here. It is helping, I feel like just I'm using it here on my cheek area where I always have those stubborn kind of freckly melasma spots, and I just think it's doing great things. And then you guys, I found something. I should do this as a bargain of the week, but I kind of want to just get it out to you so you know what it is. But this youth serum, and it's youth spelled with an E in there. So this youth I found online, and you can actually get it at Walmart. You can get it from their website. It's kind of a crazy simple skincare company, and this was $15 or $16. It's a whole ounce, and it's pure hyaluronic acid, like nothing else. There's no this or that, or you know, I mean, there is just no other filler or anything that's kind of what's the word I'm thinking of, where it's just not necessary. And I know that I use so many products that have hyaluronic acid in them, but I feel like just putting pure hyaluronic acid with other products is like, why not? Why not? Spritz on some kind of, you know, if you've got like a K-brand, like a lotion, one of those like liquidy things, or you've got some kind of even toner, or just even when your skin is still damp, put this on, because then it attracts the water and it just plumps your skin. It's just a great thing if you want pure hyaluronic acid but you don't want anything else. They do have other products. I think there's like a vitamin C serum and stuff like that, but it's very straightforward and it's really affordable. So that is skincare. And then I have some brow obsessions this month. I feel like I've been doing my brows a lot more with, what is it? Fiber, you know, the kind of brow fiber stuff. And I use a lot the Doll 10 Archmaster. I use the Benefit one. The Benefit one is a little bit lighter in color and it has a little bit more of a red undertone. So it's good, but this one is from Tarte and it's the Busy Gal Brow, and I think they've already changed the packaging, the way it looks. And it's double duty brow, and it's got, let me see, I got taupe. This is just, it's that ultra skinny brush with the fiber products. And what I do is I brush it on my eyebrow going up throughout my whole brow. And then I brush my eyebrow down and I fill in everything, right? And it's going downwards. Then I fluff them back up and brush upwards. And the good thing about this is it doesn't do that weird thing where it kind of dries so fast that as you're applying it, you can see all the fibers getting weird and gross, which happens. I think, was it a L'Oreal or a Maybelline? I was like, what is going on here? If you want a drugstore, I feel like this is a good drugstore alternate to the Doll 10, and it's the Joa Beauty from CVS. This is the brow pencil and gel, and I believe this shade this is taupe too. So if you need something that has a more gray or ash undertone, this is good for you. So the one end is your brow styler pencil part where it's kind of waxy and it's not too, it doesn't go on too dark. You can kind of build it. And then this is the end that has that gel that builds, and you can just fill in with the fibers. So you could do both, you could do one, you could do the other. But I think it's a very affordable quality product. And so if you're looking for something like that, check it out. Something I haven't talked about much, but I think I did I can't remember what video I did this in, but this is the Revlon Photo Ready Pore Reducing Primer. And it, you know, I did the Wet n Wild stick foundation and I saw pores. And even when I was doing the Scott Barnes thing, I was like, why do I look so like my pores, you know, because I wasn't doing primer in any of that. And I did the CeraVe stick. I did do that for when I did my Scott Barnes demonstration. But I'm like, what do I have that's really kind of good heavy duty pore filler? And I forgot I had this. This is the Revlon stuff that Taylor likes. And it's good. It's just really good. When I put it on, I feel like it just blurs. It just, everything kind of goes away. So speaking of cream products, you guys were asking me, because I flashed one of these on screen, I think, for that video of the JLo makeup, but these are from Amazon. They are called Red and Black Pro Cosmetics. This is the cream foundation. These are super affordable. I want to say they're $8. It's very hard to kind of guess your shade range because it's Amazon, right? You know, you're basically going on what the little swatch looks like, what maybe people are talking about in the reviews, and you're going, So I bought two, and it's funny because like one's really light and one's kind of dark, so together they make the perfect shade. But actually I do like the dark shade for warming up my skin, especially as I'm starting to put on some more bronzer and self-tanner on my chest here, because I'm just kind of digging that look. Can you blame me? So yeah, this is shade A30 and this is shade A52. And so I'll link them below, but like Amazon, anything, it's kind of tricky because I feel like the selection is so unpredictable, right? Okay. Yeah, and I try to get something that's in prime because then I feel like, well, then I know when it's coming and I know how to, I can track it a little, or, you know, I can kind of, I'm impatient, so I know it's coming faster. But I have ordered some K-Beauty stuff that's not been prime that I've had to wait a few days for, but has been perfectly good and well worth it and still amazing. So I know a lot of people talk about fakes and stuff like that. And anyway, I just wanted to say it's legit. I think it's good. And yeah, okay. Oh, and then I have to mention, and I know I got these as PR, so I don't want to like tick off anybody because, I don't know, like I didn't spend money on them, so therefore I can't be impartial. But I'm like, I'm so glad, I wouldn't have known about them if they weren't sent to me. And so that's why I'm telling you guys about them. And I know that the folks out there who did order the Alter Ego after my video loved it. I'm hearing, so I hope so. My discount code is still good on that. I don't know if they still have that brush gift with purchase or not, but, and I know that they're developing other palettes. They messaged me, and so I think it's kind of exciting. But this is the dupe to the Sultry palette from Anastasia, and this is such a good quality palette. I reach for this a lot. If you want something fun for spring and you want more color, the Focallure, I still don't know how they pronounce that. I don't think I have a discount code, but these guys are kind of like Shop Hush in that they have a ton of discounts and different bundles and, you know, just different offers on their website. And this eyeshadow is so good. They also have they have all face products, and what I've tried, I have really liked. And this is just such a fun, pretty palette. And I did do a look with it. So I will link that below or in an iCard if I remember. Because you guys know, I'm not so reliable. I know, I'm sorry. This is a one-man show, you know, one-woman show. we're doing it, sisters, for herself. Yeah, I don't have a team. I mean, I do, but they have 4 legs and no thumbs. Okay, and last, you guys, I need to buy this in the big container because this is 2 ounces and I think it comes in a 6 ounce or maybe, I don't know. It's e.l.f. It's the Illuminating Mist and Set. This setting spray is amazing. It's $3. It's shiny. Makes your skin so shiny. I mean, I'm wearing it right now and I don't know if I'm that shiny. I'm wearing highlight. I'm wearing a ton of stuff. So, but you guys saw me just douse myself with this and it works. It gives a nice sheen. It keeps your makeup set. I love it. It has no fragrance. It's so perfect. It's so perfect. If I were to make a setting spray, if I had a makeup company, I would make a setting spray that was so incredibly shiny when you sprayed it on your face and it locks in your makeup and it doesn't have any ingredients that would trigger my rosacea. And I feel like this is pretty close. So yeah. So we'll just call this the Frugy spray, the Rebecca setting spray, Rebecca Beauty. Sorry, that's bad. I could lose. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I like it a lot and I hope that you guys like it too because now I've really talked it up. Now I'm feeling self-conscious. You know when you like tell your friend how good a movie is and you're like, it's such a good movie, and then they go to the theater and you're going, what if they didn't like it? Oh, I'm so sorry. Did you guys like it? And they're like, yeah, it was okay, but you know, Fred, my husband, he was kind of like, and then you feel so bad because you're like, I'm sorry, I really liked it. And they're like, it was okay. And I'm like, oh wait, maybe it was the 2 margaritas I had before I saw it. Maybe that's why I liked it so much. Anyway, that's my story. Okay guys, those are my March favorites, and you guys, it's April. Just can't. I'm gonna be okay. We're just all getting older. We're all getting older together. It's a gift. All right, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And click that thumb that goes up, not down. I mean, whatever. Do what you want. I don't care. I like your comments, and follow me on Instagram, follow me, just whatever you do, don't follow me to my car. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.